Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 10th till the 21st of December. So let's start. Okay, your partner's current feelings for you right now are Taurus. Let's see. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are. Let's see what they're feeling. Let's see. I have to shuffle. Actually, I have to give a good shuffle. Nine of Wands. I feel like this person is not ready to give up on the situation. Although they are very hurt, although they are deeply hurt, but they are trying to heal and they are not ready to give up on this situation, on this connection, on you. Because still, I see still this person is very much connected to you. I feel like you guys are not talking to each other, might be, or in a separation phase right now. Or if you're talking, it's like not on a very good level. So it's like this person doesn't want to lose you, and that's why this person is like, I'm going to wait, I'm going to stay here, although I'm hurt, I'm not ready to give up, I'm not going to give up on this situation, on or in this person, or on this person. Okay, let me clarify. The Nine of Wands. Let me see. Why? King of Swords in the Chariot and the Two of Swords. My God, you are all over in the energy. It's like, see, what this person is trying to do is they're trying to hide their emotions from themselves only. Not you, even. They're trying to hide their emotions from themselves only. They're trying to move on, but they are not able to do that because no matter how hard they're trying, they come to the conclusion of crossroads. They come on the crossroads. It's like they're not ready to give up on the situation. Although they're on the crossroads, although there's a blockage in their intuition, although this person is not able to see the clear picture of what they feel, but this person is not ready to give up. Although this person is, hiding their true emotions from themselves only, but they want to move forward. Either they're trying to move on completely, or they're trying to get successful or victorious. Whatever they want to do, they just want to be successful. And it seems like this person is trying to fight with their emotions a lot. They're just trying to fight with their own emotions a lot, and it's like they're trying to hide their true feelings from themselves for you, but not ready to give up on you. They feel like not giving up on you at all. Okay, let's see what you feel for them, Taurus. Your feelings for them. What you feel for them, Taurus. Let's see. Queen of Swords. Okay, you're also hiding your true feelings from them, but what I see is you're very clear in your intentions of what you want from a person, what you want from this connection. And you are I think you told them clear cut. You had a clear and blunt and honest communication with them, and right now also you are clear. I can see you very clear and honest with your own thoughts, with your own emotions. You are being very logical now, you are being very analytical now. Let me clarify the Queen of Swords. It's like, it's air energy. It's like hell lot of air energy. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Okay, hell lot of air energy I'm getting here. The Moon could be dealing with the Pisces, Ace of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. See, you are very fearful. There's blockage in your intuition as well. There's blockage in their intuition as well. Could be dealing with the Pisces here. Again, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Hell lot of Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy here. And Two of Pentacles. See, you are scared. You are scared of reaching this person. You want to have a brand new beginning with them. You want to forget the past. You are very clear. You're very clear about your intentions that, yeah, I want a new start with you. But you are scared of reaching this person. You are fearing the unknown. You are fearing like, what if they are going to juggle again? What if they are not going to choose you again? What if they are going to hurt you again? It's like this kind of feelings you are having right now, this kind of thoughts you are having right now. So you are trying your mind over your hurt. You are just trying to think from your mind over your hurt, and it's like, yeah, you're getting your answers as well. So this person is not ready to give up. You are not ready to open up. It's like a little complicated situation. It's quite complicated that I can see here. Let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. Let's see what this person wants from you. Knight of Cups. This person wants love from you. This person does want you to love them back. It could be vice versa. It could be you wanting love from them. But for most of you, I feel like this person, all this person wants is love from you. A love offer, a love communication, talks about love, the lovey-dovey talks, the flowers, the scent, the perfume, everything beautiful. This is what they want from you. I don't see this person is hoping for a commitment or long-term relationship with you, but they want you to open up to them. They want the love back from you. I feel like you used to love this person a lot, and for some of you, you were literally begging this person for love and for commitment and for relationship, but they were not giving a fuck at that time, and now this person wants you to love them back the way you used to love them. They are kind of missing your energy of loving them. Let me clarify. Knight of Cups. Okay. The High Priestess, the Hierophant, oh my god, and Six of Swords. This person wants you to listen to your intuition, and this person wants you to understand that this is a spiritual connection. This is the High Priestess and the Hierophant. This is a fucking spiritual connection. So this person is feeling like a spiritual connection with you, and this person wants you to realize that you both are made for each other, that you both are spiritually connected to each other, that you love them and that they love you. It's like a mutual feeling that they are having for you. Okay, and they want a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing. This person does want a peaceful resolution, a peaceful future with you. Okay, and they want you to open up to them. This is stupid. They should do this, right? But they want you to do all this. Okay, because again, this person is on the crossroads. Again, this person doesn't know what they want, but they're not ready to give up on the situation. No matter how hard it is, no matter how heavy it is right now, but they're not ready to give up. And I can clearly see you could be dealing with a Taurus. Again, it is Taurus energy, so you could be dealing with another Taurus here. Okay, again, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a hell lot of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius I'm getting here. And number 2, Moon energy is also here, Pisces energy is also here. So it's like, yep, lots of issues that you guys were facing. This person wants you to understand that you guys are soulmates, not just soulmates. You are like higher level kind of soulmate connection that you guys are having with each other. This is what they want you to realize. Oh God, why the hell they don't do this? This person does know it. This person does feel it, like the higher level of spiritual connection between you guys. They know it. Okay, let's see what you want from this person, Taurus. Let's see. Sun, all you want this from this person is happiness. You want this person to open up. You want this person to accept the truth. You want happiness. You want a family. You can say you want to have a, I don't say family actually. I feel like you just want to enjoy life with them. You want them to open up like a kid. There should not be any kind of barrier between you guys. There should not be any kind of blockage between you guys, either in communication or in any kind of you can say mental connectivity, anything that is connected to happiness of this connection. Okay, so you basically want this person to open up, to bring balance in this kind of to bring balance in the relationship, because they also know that you guys are having a spiritual connection with each other. The Sun card from this particular deck is telling me very loudly that you also know that this is higher level of connection and this is spiritual level of connection, and you also want this person to realize that you are their happiness. You are the one for them. This is what you want from this person. Let me clarify. You want this person to be a kid again and open up. The Lovers and the Fool, 5 of Pentacles. Okay. You want this person to get back to you again. Could be dealing with a Gemini here. The Fool energy is where you want this person to have a leap of faith with the universe, to have a leap of faith with you, and you want this person to turn back from the abandonment issues that you guys had faced, might be in the future, might be in the recent past. For some of you, that I'm getting here is you want this person to choose to take a decision of happiness. Might be there is somebody else also involved in the equation, might be for some of you. So you want them to choose who is your true lover and who you want to leave, or with whom you want to restart this connection again. You want this person to be happy, fucking happy. This is what you want from this person. But at the same time, you want this person to make a fucking decision regarding this particular relationship, especially with you. You want this person to work on the stability. You want this person to take a leap of faith with whom he is happy. And and you want this person to turn their back towards abandonment issues, or the issues that he's facing from the past trauma, past connection, might be something like this. Something like this. You just want this person to realize that you are their happiness. Or for some of you, I can just see that you are being a sweetheart, and all you want this person from this person is their happiness. You just want them to be happy with you or with somebody else. It's up to them. It's like this. Okay, you're a sweetheart. Okay, what to expect? Let's see what to expect from this person till the 21st of December. Let's see what action they are going to take towards my Taurus. Let's see what Taurus person is going to do till the 21st of December. Let's see. Three of Wands. They will just wait for you. They will just wait for you to talk to them, to open up with them, to have the conversation going, because they are feeling like they have done everything that they could. Now they are just waiting. Or it could be you who is just waiting for this person and not taking action. I don't see action happening from any one of you. It's like neither you nor them are going to take any kind of action. But let me clarify the Three of Wands anyway. I feel like this person is going to turn their back towards you. I mean, I feel like they're already turning they're already not talking to you. Already there's not much communication between you guys. But again, I feel like this person will choose to walk away for the time being, or choose to look in some other direction for the time being, because they feel like this is not the right time for this thing. This is the thing. Let me clarify. The Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the King of Cups. Yeah. This person is just waiting for the healing period to be over so that they can restart this connection with you with lots of passion, because they have lots of love for you. Finally, the Cup is here. Finally, the King of Cups is here. Okay? It's like they're waiting for the ships to arrive. They're waiting on you to heal. They are waiting for this situation to completely heal between you and them. They're just basically waiting for the right time to reconnect with you, to have a passionate start with you, because they have lots of love for you. So this person is very slow to reach, slow to approach. I don't see this person coming to you till the 21st of December. It could be you who is waiting for them eagerly, because you still have lots of love for them. Okay, but I feel like this person is going to come back to you, but they're going to take their sweet ass time. Okay, they're just not coming like that. Yeah, I'm here. No, they're going to take time. Now let me pull an angel card for you. What is the message for you, dear Taurus? Taurus, let me see what the angels wants to tell you. Again, the guidance card for you. Universe, please tell me, Taurus. Tell me for Taurus, what should they do? What is their guidance? Let me pull a card for you, Taurus. Okay, this card just fell. This is the Wheel, Archangel Jeremiel. Jeremiel, okay. New beginnings, end of delays, a change in direction that offers happiness. You just have to change your direction for the time being. There's happiness at the other side of the tunnel. There's light, at the other side of tunnel. I feel like right now you're feeling like you're in dark and you're not able to see things clearly. Nothing is working in your favor. But trust me, everything is working in your favor, Taurus. Everything, fucking everything. If either it is looking good or bad right now, but everything is looking for is for your favor. And I don't know why I'm getting from this Sun card, I'm getting spiritual connection, I'm getting spiritual awakening for some of you. If you guys are working on your healing, if you guys are working on your chakras or something, you are definitely going to definitely going to get some good news related to your spiritual growth. It's good. It's good. Yeah. So thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye.